Offer document. Offer document is an important legal document which every investor should go through. This video is about offer document and what are the contents of offer document. So let us start. Where to get information? So normally investors can get information about a particular scheme, about the fund house who is offering the scheme, about the AMC, etc. from these documents. We have scheme information document, we have statement of additional information, we have key information memorandum also known as SKIM. These are the main documents from which an investor can get useful information. Apart from that, we have two more websites an investor can refer to. One is SEBI website, the other one is AMFI website. Let us see one by one. Let us start with offer document. Offer document has been divided into two types. Scheme information document or SID and statement of additional information or SAI. So that is what we have mentioned here. So let us see overall idea about offer document. See here, offer document is also known as prospectus, or it serves as the legal document, or it can be even taken as a reference document. Draft offer document is filed with SEBI, and it is mandatory for all investors to read offer document before making an investment. So SEBI rule mandates that mutual funds are subject to market risk and every investor is bound to read offer document before making an investment. And we have one more principle governing the entire investment, that is known as buyer beware. So the buyer should be aware about the product, the risk involved, and therefore he should read offer document before making an investment. Final offer document is filed with AMC and it is available for viewers in AMC website and AMFI website. So let us start with scheme information document. So what is scheme information document? Scheme information document carries information about a particular scheme. Like we will have details about the type of scheme or the investment objective of the scheme or the asset allocation pattern of the scheme or the proposed investment ideas, like where they are going to invest, what kind of securities they are going to buy, or the risk involved in this scheme, and the load involved, like what is the exit load, what are the other charges applicable, what is the proposed expense structure, and what is the minimum investment, what is the maximum investment, what are the other conditions attached. These are the details which are available in scheme information document.